Compliance Prime presents New DOL FLSA and Remote Work Arrangements. The US DOL recently issued a Field Assistance Bulletin in which they clarify the application of the Fair Labor Standards Act to non-exempt remote workers, and clarify the Family and Medical Leave Act's hours of service eligibility requirement for remote workers. This informative new webinar will provide an in-depth review of the DOL's new clarification of FLSA and FMLA's application for remote workers and other important telecommuting issues for HR to be aware of. This webinar also lets you earn recertification credits from HR Certification Institute and PDCs from SHRM. What you will learn. What the DOL made clear in their Field Assistance Bulletin regarding how the FLSA applies to non-exempt remote workers. Strategies for ensuring FLSA compliance when employees work remotely. Whether you must provide telecommuting as a reasonable accommodation under the ADA. Could you be subject to discrimination claims if you allow some to telecommute but deny that option to other employees? What steps to use to protect your organization when a remote employee is injured at home? Best strategies to handle FMLA requests for employees who work remotely. Best practices and procedures when employees telecommute, such as having a telecommuting policy, application and agreement, and much more. This webinar will be conducted by Melissa Fleischer. She is a sought-after employment law attorney and HR advisor, having utilized her 20 years of law practice experience specializing in employment discrimination litigation. Ms. Fleischer helps employers achieve legal compliance and reduce litigation costs. Stay compliant by enrolling in this webinar today.